Physico-Chemical properties of incessantly cultivated rice-fallow and uncultivated soils of Nalbari district, Assam, India. In Assam, rice is the main crop, but long-term farming without proper care can harm the soil, reducing its quality and crop yields. This study compared soil health between continuously cultivated rice-fallow fields and nearby uncultivated land in Nalbari district, Assam. A total of 120 soil samples, 60 from each type, were tested for physical and chemical properties. Results showed that cultivated soils had higher bulk density, making the soil more compact, and lower water holding capacity compared to uncultivated soils. Chemical properties like soil acidity, organic carbon, and key nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, sulfur, zinc, and boron, were also lower in farmed soils. This decline is likely due to continuous cropping without proper soil management. To maintain healthy soil and good crop yields, farmers should adopt better practices like balanced fertilizer use, based on soil tests, adding organic manure, and including legumes in crop rotations. These steps can help restore soil fertility and sustain long-term productivity. Introduction. Soil health is crucial for farming, as it affects how well crops grow by providing water, nutrients, and air to plants. However, long-term farming without proper care can damage the soil, reducing its fertility and crop yields. This study examined how continuous rice farming in Assam's Nalbari district has affected soil health compared to nearby uncultivated land. Nalbari is an important agricultural area where most farmers grow rice in a rice-fallow system, growing rice once a year and leaving the land bare afterward. Over time, poor farming practices, such as unbalanced fertilizer use, removing crop residues, and lack of organic matter, have degraded the soil. This leads to lower nutrient levels, weaker soil structure, and reduced crop productivity. The study compared 120 soil samples, 60 from farmed rice fields and 60 from natural, uncultivated land. Results showed that farmed soils were more compact, held less water, and had lower levels of essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and organic carbon. They were also more acidic, which further reduces fertility. These findings highlight the need for better soil management in rice farming. Practices like adding organic manure, using balanced fertilizers, and rotating crops with legumes can help restore soil health. Improving farming methods will not only boost crop yields but also ensure long-term sustainability for Assam's agriculture. Conclusion. This study found that long-term rice farming without proper care makes soil more compact and reduces its fertility. Compared to natural uncultivated soil, continuously farmed rice fields had higher soil density, making it harder for roots to grow, and lower levels of important nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. Over time, this weakens the soil, leading to poorer crop growth. To prevent this, farmers should adopt better practices like using fertilizers wisely based on soil tests, adding organic manure or compost, mixing crop leftovers back into the soil, growing legume crops between rice seasons. These simple steps can help restore soil health, maintain good harvests, and keep farmland productive for future generations. The findings highlight why sustainable farming methods are crucial for Assam's rice-growing regions. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.